In this video, we're going to consider question number 13 of paper 1, AISL, May 2025, time zone 1 exam. It's the very last question of the paper 1 and containing 9 marks. Let's make a short overview. So given the diagram and straightforward, it's related to the bearing. Yeah? I think from the diagram it should be clear that it's about the bearing. Let's have a read. It's also containing 2 parts, 7 and 9 marks each, and part A contain 3 subparts. Okay, let's have a read the question itself. Tiki is sailing a boat in the ocean. For the first part of her trip, she plans to start at point A and travel to point B. She then plans to turn and travel 13 kilometers on bearing 100 to point C, as it's actually shown, yeah, to point C. And due to the navigation error, so I'm reading the second part of the question. Due to the navigation error in the first part of the trip, Tiki arrives at point D instead of point B. Okay, point D is 2 kilometers due west of point B. And now we should determine next things. Let me start. Let's solve. So we should determine the size of angle DBC. So we should identify first the angle DBC. Yeah, this angle, right? So that's how we're going to make a triangle, because we should consider this triangle. Yeah, this triangle. And in this triangle, we have to find DC. But it's better to make another sketch here. So this is D, B, and C. Okay, and to find this size, we know that it is 2. This is 13. It's actually same. I hope you understand. Yeah, it's the same triangle, but drawn in more appropriate way. Easier. I hope it is easier to understand for you. Okay, and we should find the angle theta. So we should find the angle theta because we will use cosine rule. Let's use cosine rule here. Now let me write it here somewhere. So part A, first part, yeah, and size of angle DBC. Size of angle DBC. But before the using of cosine rule, we should use